Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 4S and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect on the phone that is paired with our watch. Now tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and here you should see Vivoactive 4S. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner, and here you should see the Remove Device option. Tap on it, tap on Remove. If you see this pop up, you can tap on Settings, and it will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings, and here you should see Vivoactive 4S on the list of previously connected devices. Tap on the Settings, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget. Then close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. And that's how you unpair this device, or rather this watch, from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.